Look, doesn't this just look like that, what is it? Like that monster from Scooby-Doo. I look like a sea creature.
What, like the lobster?
Shut up! It felt like a lobster.
What's good, you guys? It's Kendall here, aka ExoticBlxss, and today I'm here with
Pizzati!
First YouTube best friend ever.
Same.
And I don't know if you guys have been following, but if you guys are OG subscribers, you would probably know that we always do collabs together.
I know.
Literally.
We've known each other for over 2 years now.
It's crazy.
And actually like stay friends. I know!
And like we're from the opposite side of the world. Actually,
she's from Australia.
23 hours. At first we didn't really know what to do, but then we were like, let's do what's in the box.
Yes.
So, how scared are you?
I don't know, I'm very excited.
I'm nervous for you.
I don't know, because I heard you guys laughing and that like stressed me out.
Patsy's channel is in the description below, so make sure that you guys go check it out. And also we did my part on her channel.
With my items.
Yeah, with her items, and they'll be freaky. Right, so without further ado, let's get into the what's in the box challenge.
Okay. What is that? Is that like fur? Can I pick it up?
What is it?
It's furry. Is it like one of those cushions that you have on the chairs? What is that sound? What the hell is that? Oh wait! It's that thing! Is it the thing for my coat? Is it the fur from my coat? I have like around my coat.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
Well, it's from Emily's coat, but
yeah, it's from my coat, but you've got it right.
You got it. This is probably like the safest object that you'll touch.
Oh.
You're gonna hurt its feelings.
How the hell? Like, it's an object.
It's got feelings.
It's got
me.
feelings.
This one does.
Oh, is it like a mood ring or something? Is it?
Mood ring. Someone's finger has to be really big. And it's, yeah.
Hey, you just said it had feelings. Is it like makeup? Like, I don't know. You guys have a lot of makeup. It's so hard. I thought you guys would like pick easy things. You said this is the safest thing, but I feel like it's gonna be the hardest thing to actually. I'm just gonna say mirror. I don't know any makeup products.
Okay.
So.
Put it out and open it.
Good job. Be gentle with it.
It was a compass.
Oh. Yeah, I would have never guessed. What the hell did you just?
Enjoy. I guess. We may or may not have gone outside.
Are you kidding me? Did you like get spiders or like snails?
You said we could go anywhere in your house. We just had to search the deepest, darkest corners. They're not technically alive. Maybe they once were.
So like bugs? Like dead bugs or I don't have bugs in my house. Did you just put bugs in there? Were they in the house or outside the house?
Inside the house, in the deepest corners.
Oh my god, wait! Did you are they?
You're gonna pull them out!
Are they raisins? Oh my god!
They're once alive. They were once grapes. I wasn't lying. And we found them deep in the cupboard.
Whoa!
Okay.
Is it gonna fall out? It's something hard. I want to say it's something, but I know it's not that. Because where would you find that? I might have had it in your suitcase. It's weird. Oh, I know, it's called. Is it like a lobster or something? Where the hell would you find a lobster? No, it doesn't smell that. It feels like a sea creature or something. I want to say it's a lobster, but I know it's not. It's like square. It's like rectangle. Is there something in it? What is it called? It's like a, like an ornament you can like like a box.
Are you sure it's not a lobster?
I feel like it is.
Creature.
I feel like it's something to do with sea creatures. It's like a one of those boxes you get at the piers. Like you can use it for whatever. I think maybe jewelry or something. So I'd say it's a lobster, but like surrounded with like shells.
It's a lobster?
Yeah.
Okay, pick it up. You were right the first time. No, the second time when you said it was a box. But then I convinced you it was a lobster.
I mean, it felt like a lobster. Do you have any alive things? The raisins didn't count.
I said they were once alive, which they were. They were once grapes, very happy grapes.
What the hell was that? Did you put wolves in there?
Well, now you've just moved it. And that's very angry at you.
It's wet! What the hell? It's worms.
Is that a worm?
Why is it wet though? It's wet. Or is it slimy? I don't know. It's not moving, but it's like, is it like dead?
Well, do you think I'll pick up anything alive? I can't even pet your dog.
It's slimy on one side, but it's like not on the other.
Close.
Trying to trick me now. It's banana.
Is that your answer?
You gave me a banana. It's like, oh my god, feel that. Oh, it's in a bowl.
Yep, it's involved.
Ah! It's wet. It's food.
Yeah.
Because it's not in water. It's something slimy. What's slime? Is this like a yogurt? What the hell is that? Is it that yogurt? Like a yogurt thing? Am I putting? Oh wait, I just broke it. Did I just break it?
No, you didn't. You're just having a bit of fun. Yeah,
that round thing isn't there anymore. What's the round thing? Oh, what is that? It's like a...
Well, if that was your fish, it's dead now.
Did you break an egg into a bowl? It's like the yogurt or an egg. Is it an egg? Egg. Yeah? Because I broke it.
Okay.
Because there was like the circular thing that was a yolk, wasn't it?
Okay, is that your answer?
I think so. What's an egg? What's an egg?
But you've made scrambled egg now, so I might as well go cook it.
We should have done more! This is so fun. Wait. Hands clean. Okay. Oh! Dude! What'd you put in there? It's a lotion. Lotion? Squishy. Feels spongy. I don't know what it is. Is it bread? What is that? Okay, it's definitely bread.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it really?
Yes, it is. I can break it. Actually, I could break a sponge as well. Is it like... What did you put on the bread though? It's like covered both sides. You put like lotion on it?
I can't tell you, Patty.
Yeah, I'm trying to get... It feels like stretchy. Why is it stretchy? Bread
stretchy.
Bread shouldn't be stretchy. Yeah, it is. Look. Is it bread? Okay, I'm gonna say it's bread. Yeah, it's bread. You just put a lot of butter on it. That's actually disgusting. Look at that. You put like butter on both sides.
Yeah.
You're so weird. I think I guessed a lot.
I think you guessed most of it.
I did. The thing is, I had an advantage because I knew what things were in the house.
Okay guys, so that was the end of the challenge. Patty got 5. And if you guys want to see what I got, then make sure that you guys go ahead on her channel. You guys get to decide who won.
Yeah, because like the points don't really mean that much.
At the end of the day, got to collab and we got to see each other.
I know, it was so exciting.
3 days sleepover.
Oh, I can't believe you're leaving already.
No, and I'm leaving today in like a couple of hours.
That was so fast.
So if you guys want to see more of Patty, make sure that you guys go on her channel. It's in the description below. And anything else?
make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to her for more amazing content like DIYs, comedy, and like editing tips and hacks and everything basically.
And she does like everything on her channel, literally, like dares, DIYs, art. What else do you do?
Just really weird stuff.
Like just really weird stuff like dancing and stuff like that. That's all. Yes, I love you guys so much, and stay Gucci.
Hug a cactus. Stay Gucci,
eat some pizza,
and hug a cactus.
Deuces.
Bye. How did I forget about pizza? Well, no, just like feel it. Like the hair. It feels like one.
Not even in the shape of a lobster.